One more push. Breathe. Keep pushing.
Emerging from a hectic and exhausting industry, this dropshipper is now enjoying the reward of her dropshipping journey. Meet Jedi, a public health doctor and a fearless frontliner on a mission. Determined to make a brighter path beyond a complicated past, Jedi seeks a fresh start and a successful transformation. A desire to step into a new path burned within her, yet the path remained blurry, with no clue on where to begin. From being a dedicated doctor to a successful e-compreneur, witness the inspiring story of a diligent medical professional who has unlocked a new achievement, and that is owning her own dropshipping store. Join us in discovering the secrets behind her path to becoming a thriving dropshipper.
Hi Droppy fam, I'm Jedilu Alip, a public health doctor, and this is my dropshipping journey.
The challenges encountered by Doc Jedi in her chosen profession were far from easy.
Part-time, I was a missionary doctor, pumupunta sa iba-ibang indigent communities in the Philippines to give medical services. Na-deploy din po ako as a doctor to the barrio for 2 years. One time, I was in the next municipality nung tumawag yung midwife namin. Mga 2 a.m. yun kasi may mga nganak daw. Kailangan ko mag-tricycle pabalik. Delikado, but I was able to fulfill my duty. Nag-work ako sa ospital ng Maynila noong nagka-pandemic. Dumating sa point na I made arrangements sakali mang may mangyari sa akin as a frontliner. I also got engaged to be married, pero hindi na rin kami nagkatuluyan.
Amidst the overwhelming stress and suddening challenges of pandemic, Doc Jedi made a resolute choice to journey back to her hometown, the summer capital of the Philippines, Baguio.
Laking Baguio po ako and I've been working in Manila for 10 years. Pagbalik ko dito sa Baguio, hindi pala ganun kadami yung income opportunities ko as a doctor. So I tried to find ways to increase my sources of income.
Despite the challenges that Doc Jedi encountered, she never saw them as obstacles. Instead, she found a way to overcome them and have a fresh start. That's the unbeatable spirit of Filipinos. Turning her back on bitterness, she embraced her ambition and focused on the journey of building her own business.
Gumawa po ako ng business plan para sa farm-to-market sale of locally grown na coffee beans. Pero nakita ko na kailangan ko ng malaking capital pala para dito.
Like other dropshippers, Doc Jedi had limited knowledge and had no experience when it comes to online selling and dropshipping. Of course, Dropify is here to the rescue.
Then, napanood ko si Sir Charles C. sa isang dropshipping series. I decided to stick with Dropify dahil nakita ko ang leadership niya in the midst of adversities. So, tiwala akong God will make a way through His faith kung ano mang maging problema natin in the future.
And because she was thirsty for knowledge and extremely curious about the dropshipping business, Doc Jedi made an effort to study the transactions in online selling and dropshipping.
Pinakamahirap para sa akin yung first 3 months. Talagang bootcamp dahil I have over 1,000 listings sa catalog ko. But over the next few months, nakita ko namang namunga ang aking pinaghirapan. Ang tanong na lang ay, paano? Hindi ko gustong i-give up ang career ko at wala naman akong alam sa business. Pero I discovered that Dropify is perfect for me dahil pumapasok pa rin yung orders kahit na nagpapasyente ako. I committed myself to this task and took ownership of my store. Isipin mo yon, with just a monthly subscription fee, hindi ko na kailangan isipin pa ang pag-warehouse, pag-hire ng tao, pag-fulfill ng orders, pag-import ng products, at iba pa. Meron na akong millions worth of products in inventory na wala akong nilabas. And best of all, ako ang boss ko.
She didn't allow herself to be submerged by the problems. Instead, she sought new knowledge and pushed herself into things she hadn't tried before because Doc Jedi is really a warrior.
So, kung nag-work ang dropshipping para sa isang doktor kagaya ko, hindi imposibleng mangyari din ito para sa inyo. Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Take that next step and let's go!
Come out of your box! Seek new learnings! Try new things and take risks! You never know! You might be the next successful dropshipper!